Bomana Primary Preschool was the heart of something special, as two American Olympic rugby stars joined the students for an unforgettable outreach thanks to US Embassy and PNG NRL.
Between Papua New Guinea and the United States. So they've been working with schools and youth groups and getting out and doing clinics and really just getting hands-on and playing the game with people, which is a really wonderful thing to see, especially as we start looking ahead to the 50th anniversary and focusing on all those things that we share between PNG and the United States.
So after this, are we expecting more sports, not only rugby, but like other sports like soccer and other sports also to engage in this initiative?
Well, we will always look for new opportunities. We're always looking for ways to increase the connections between PNG and the United States. That's a huge part of what we do and what's important. So I don't know what will be coming up, but when there are opportunities, we'll do everything we can to bring them in.
So you're seeing the reactions on the children and also the players. How does it make you feel personally?
I mean, I absolutely love it. Just coming in and seeing the huge group of kids, seeing the smiles on everyone's face, the excitement. Cheta and Andrew, our sports envoys, are fantastic and have so much energy and engagement. For me, there's nothing better than just seeing this level of engagement and commitment, just looking around at everyone and seeing the impact that it makes.
Sarah Sanderson, U.S. Embassy Public Affairs Officer in Port Moresby, joined forces behind this week's outreach.
It means bilateral relations. So this is a big year for us that we're celebrating, and we're really happy that we can host this sports envoy, right?
Okay. So is this going to be every year annually, or is this like a one thing?
That's a great question. 2 years ago, we had a similar sports envoy with surfers. And so every year we apply, and the Department of State chooses different countries each year to be able to host sports envoys or not. So of course next year we will apply. Let's see if we're able to bring a different sport to Papua New Guinea.
Yeah, probably like American football, because we don't know American football.
That'd be fun. That'd be really fun. Yeah. I think it's been amazing for us to watch the connections between our athletes, Andrew and Cheta, form between, especially the youth here in Papua New Guinea, they're so passionate about sports, and they're also really excited to see people like Cheta, especially as a young woman in sports, and see her story of playing in the Olympics at such an elite level, to be able to hear her story of how she did that and have it really be an inspiration. Yeah. And I have to say, it's been a lot of fun. Yeah.
It is.
For many at Bomana, especially young girls, meeting Olympian Cheta was a moment they'll never forget.
Thank you for coming to see us here at the school. My stay here in Papua New Guinea has been incredible. I had never obviously been before, and so I had no idea what to expect when I came, but the people have been so welcoming, and the love of rugby is strong here. So it's easy to connect because we all have that shared love of the game. And I came from a soccer and basketball background, and rugby is another global game, but I think it's a little bit different.
It's big here.
It's big here, and the community, it's all behind it. So it's fun to talk about state of origin with kids.
So you watch State of Origin?
Yes.
Oh God. So what team are you?
Up the Blues.
Oh yes, nice. like tomorrow I heard you guys are going back.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Yeah. So anything you want to say to like future of rugby?
Yeah. Well, I think two things. One, I just want to continue encouraging, especially the girls and women picking up sport, even seeing the primary school children supporting one another, girls and boys playing together. But I can appreciate culturally that it's difficult. Maybe the family isn't necessarily behind getting onto the field. I know mine wasn't initially. I come from a mixed culture background as well. But they'll see it. And also you have to remember, what is important for you and how it's going to better you. So I just want to encourage them to keep doing the work that they're doing and to enjoy. At the end of the day, it's fun. And then second, just thank you. Thank you for welcoming both Andrew and I. It's been an incredible trip, and I hope to come back.
Subscribe to PNG Houseboom for more news content.